everyone, and thanks for joining me today to find out what's in my Aliexpress basket. Today we have buttons, bows, lots of gorgeous embellishments because I know that you just absolutely love them. So we're starting off with these gorgeous crochet hearts. They have these gorgeous ribbons and satin flowers in the centre. They are just so pretty. You get 20 pieces for £3.33, and these, look, they are absolutely delicious. Delicious, I tell you. They really are pretty. I saw them and I just had to have them, as I do with almost everything that I see. Then we have these organza flowers. Now, I do have a lot of flowers already, but I like to try and find some that are different. And these ones are very sort of fluffy and, excuse me, lots of layers. They have a diamante, a pearl, and a flower in the centre. So you've got lots of yumminess going on in these organza flowers, ribbon flowers, and they're £1.78. Okay, then, more things for my cat journal, of course. I found these very fun character cat buttons, and they're from 45p for 10, but you can buy 10, 50 or 100, but they start at 45p. 45p, I mean, come on, for 10, and I like this seller. This seller, there is just going to be one link to the seller's shop and you can find these things there, but I just thought I would share this seller with you because they do a lot of things that you only have to buy like 10, 45p or something. So these are 100 pieces, mixed colour, handmade wood buttons, £2.21. This seller has a lot of pocket money embellishments, so you can, you know, and I sort of think to myself, I'll spend £10 and see how much I can get. Sometimes, you know, I just have a little challenge with myself. That's what I do. Right, the next thing up are these 100 pieces satin polka dot bows, £3.08. But you do get 100, so you know, if you've got a lot of projects to do or you just want some in your stash, these are really, really good and handy to have. And you know, bows are very easy to sort of just, you know, spruce up a project if you want to do something quite quick, you know. So I do like that. Then we have these 20-piece, I think they're chiffon flowers, and they are, where have we gone? £3.08, sorry. Yes, that is right. £3.08 for 20 pieces, and you know, you can put an embellishment on them yourself, so you can, you know, do what you want with the centers or leave them plain. Then we have some more cat buttons, some more cat buttons, and the same from 45p for 10 pieces, and you can choose 10, 50 or 100. I think these are super cute. Look at that one, the pink one with his big eye open there. They're just lots of fun to have on your projects. And you know, I said from 45p means that you can buy a few different varieties. Right, then we have these delicious bows. They're 40 pieces, £3.08, and they've got these lovely centre pieces, so they're quite gorgeous and very attractive, aren't they? Very gorgeous. I do have a lot of bows, but you can never have enough bows. Right, okay, now the next one, we have 100 flower buttons. Now, I do have some flower buttons, but they didn't have the diamante in the middle, so I thought I do have to have these, and they are £3.37. These are, you know, super cute just to sew on your projects. You can even hot glue them, I found, and you know, you get the different colours there, so you've got quite a lot of colours going on. Then we have 40-piece organza flowers with roses, and they've also got the green satin ribbon in the middle as well for leaves. So they are different than the ones that I have. I have lots of different ones in here today. These are very pretty colours as well, in these lovely pastel colours. And these are £3.08 for 40 pieces. And then coming up we have velvet flowers with rhinestones and silver shimmer bling on them, and these have got like a little rhinestone in the middle. They're 40 pieces for £3.08. I do have a few different velvet. I love velvet, actually. Velvet is very lovely. And I don't have any velvet flowers at all, I don't believe, but I do now because I've ordered a few different styles from this seller. Right, now these are 12 pieces and there's 12 different colours to choose from, and they're chiffon flowers with pearls and rhinestones in the middle. They are £3.33 and they are very sort of fluffy with the different layers and quite big, I think. So, you know, you only would need one on a project for sure because they're quite big. You can turn them into hair bows or, you know, do lots of different things with them. Right, now these are... Oh. Right, I've lost the one for this one. Oh, 40-piece ribbon flowers with leaves, £4.81. It's all right, I've lost my way. 40 pieces, ribbon flowers with leaves, and these are almost like, what do you say, they're like carnations? Don't know, but different anyway. 50, this one is 50 pieces padded felt flowers. If you're looking for a different look on your projects, these are great for cards. I would use these more for card making, you know, or if you're doing a very colourful journal, you could use them, but I just thought they would be different. They're great for the kids. The kids love felt things, so I've got them for those and for card making, really. The same as these fabric covered buttons. Now they say the buttons, but actually I don't think they've got holes in them. These are the 50 pieces, but they're flat backs, £2.40. But you can have the effect of a button without having a button, if that would make sense. These would be great for the centre of a flower, a bow. Oh my gosh, or you could just pop them on a project by themselves. You wouldn't really need anything else. Now, we have 40 pieces, velvet flowers with a pearl in the middle, £3.08. And these, I think the other ones had rhinestones and were glittery. I had silver on. These are just plain and got the pearl. So they're more simple, but I think they're very effective. We have more handmade buttons here, or wood buttons that say handmade on them, from 45p for 10. Again, you can order 10, 50 or 100. But you know, these are lovely. I do like occasionally sewing on handmade signs or buttons onto projects because they just give it that little bit extra, don't they? What do we have next? Oh, look at these. 24 pieces, rose ribbon bows with a gorgeous flower and this gorgeous lace around the centre, £3.33. I have not seen these before. I do not have any of these, and so I'm getting me some. One thing I do have to say is if sometimes you see things that I've already had in other baskets, you know, Aliexpress baskets, is because I sometimes reorder things and I run out and I want more. So there it is. That's what happens sometimes. Right, now, what is this one? These are satin flowers, various colours, £1.78. You get 20 pieces and you can choose from all of those colours there. 3, 6, 9, 10 colours to choose from. Oh, look at these heartwood buttons with birds on. that's a mouthful, heartwood buttons with birds on from 45p. I have given you lots of pocket money things here today. These are beautiful. Look at the buttons. Oh my gosh, with the beautiful birds. I just love birds on vintage projects, and these would just be gorgeous just to put on a tag or a, oh my gosh, anything really. And the same as with these wood butterfly buttons, they're from 55p for 10 pieces. So these the same, they're just lovely, very vintage, very pretty, very colourful, but they're, you know, they're bright, but they're vintage still, aren't they? Love them, love them, love them, love them. And I think this is the last thing in my basket today. There are these flowers. They are a bit different. They're very flat, which I like. And they have these lovely pearl centerpieces. This embellishment in the middle, so you don't have to do anything to them. And they feel, I think they've got this lovely texture to these flowers, and they come in various colours. And they are lovely, but I do like the fact that they're very flat. So that's my basket for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very soon. If you want to order any of the products, just click on the link. It will take to the seller's shop, and they have lots and lots and lots and lots of super goodies for you to buy. So have a look. You won't be disappointed. Take care for now. Bye-bye.